Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'm gonna take you through how to log in Solvely AI Study Companion app on your device. So first thing, you need to make sure that Solvely is installed on your device. After that, you need to click Solvely app. So this is the very first page of the Solvely app. After that, we need to click on the get started. After that, we need to click on the option called get started. So these are the various options on the next home page of the Solvely. So at the very top right, there is the option called login. After clicking on login, these are the options. So you can also log in with the Apple ID, you can also log in with your Google, also log in with your Facebook and email. Also, you make sure that you remember from which you have logged in so that your Solvely account will be secure in future need. So from these various options, you can easily log in Solvely in your device. That's it for today. If this video helped you, make sure you like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you.